Now I will check this one and the other one. So what I will do, I will write here ping, I will write 192.168.20.2. okay, so 20.2 means same computer here only, both are connected to same switch. But if I ping 20.3 and 20.4, it will not work. Let's verify. Why it will not work? Because they are not connected to same switch, they are connected to different switch. So traffic will not go. We need to do some configuration. After that traffic will go. But before doing that configuration, we are going to verify and we are going to check that one. Traffic is not going, and we are going to do some configuration. After that it will start working. So if you see 20.3 is also not working, I will write 20.4. I am pinging this PC. From here traffic will come here. Traffic will come here like this. But here this one is in VLAN 1. So only VLAN 1 traffic will go. VLAN 20 traffic will not go. So it will drop here only. So what we can say, okay, you want to ping the 20, right? 20.3, 20.4. So you want to access VLAN 20 traffic. So if I put this port in VLAN 20 and here also this port in VLAN 20, then VLAN 20 traffic will go? Yes. So but problem here, example, this guy is pinging, communicating with VLAN 20, means other computer of VLAN 20, then you will put here and here in VLAN 20, then it is working. But when VLAN 10 is trying to communicate with this VLAN 10 computer, it will not work. You need to again change here from 20 to 10. Here and here, and then VLAN 10 traffic will work, but VLAN 20 traffic will stop. So this way we can do, but this is not practical way. If we do like this, let me repeat again what I am saying. I try to ping this computer from 20.2 to 20.3 and 20.4. It is not working. First of all, what we need to remember, whenever we have the VLAN, same VLAN will work, different VLAN will not work. So this is same VLAN, both are green color I put. So same VLAN, VLAN 20, VLAN 20. But it will not work. Why it is not working? Because they are not connected to same switch. In between we have one more switch, and the cable or the link which is connecting between these two switch, that is in different VLAN. It is in the VLAN 1. So if this port and this port are in VLAN 1, then he is going to carry only VLAN 1 traffic. He is not going to carry VLAN 20 traffic. So if I change here from VLAN 1 to VLAN 20 and here also VLAN 1 to VLAN 20, then VLAN 20 traffic will go, no problem. It will start working. But VLAN 10 will not work. So what I will do, I will again change this from VLAN 20 to VLAN 10, and here also VLAN 20 to VLAN 10, then VLAN 10 traffic will go. Okay, that is good, but who will change? Each and every time you need to change. If this guy is sending something, again change. If this guy is sending something, again change. This is not practical solution. To overcome these types of issue, we will go for another protocol, that is a trunk. We are going to use the trunk, who is going to carry multiple VLAN. Here the single cable is carrying only single VLAN. Like you can put this in VLAN 10, only VLAN 10 traffic will go. If you put this in VLAN 20, only VLAN 20 traffic will go. You cannot put one interfaces in more than one VLAN. If you remember here, whenever we are configuring here, if you see, this belongs to VLAN 1. If I move this interface to any other VLAN, example, if I move this interface from VLAN 1 to VLAN 10, it will remove from here and it will go here. So we need to remember only single interface will be present in single VLAN only. It cannot be in more than one VLAN. We will have one special case. In that one we will have for two VLAN. Later we are going to see that one. That is a voice VLAN, but later we will see that one. Now remember, any interface you can take, that interface will be in only one VLAN. It cannot be like in two VLAN, like VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. You cannot say this interface belongs to both VLAN, VLAN 10 and 20. We cannot. One interface, this interface will be in any one VLAN, not in the both VLAN. If you try to put this interface in VLAN 20 before it is in the VLAN 10, then it will remove from the VLAN 10 and it will go to the VLAN 20. You need to remember this one. Okay, we will check also. What I will do here now, if you see, you have F0 by 1 here, and here also F0 by 1, and here if you are trying to ping from this 192.168.20.2 from here to 20.3, what you are getting? You are getting request timeout, right? If I ping here, let me try to ping again. I will write here ping 192.168.20. What is that one? 20.3, and you can see it will not work, but both are same VLAN. I am pinging from here to here. Both are in the same VLAN, but it will not work. Why? Because this switch is in different place, this switch is in different place, and we are connecting with the cable, and that cable is carrying only VLAN 1 traffic. It is not carrying the VLAN 20 traffic. That's why request timeout is coming. If I put this here side in the VLAN 20, then VLAN 20 traffic will work, but VLAN 10 traffic will not work. So if you want to send this ping continuously, we can write this way. I can write like ping and then minus T, okay, and give space and write the IP and press enter. It will send the continuously ping. Let's see. So what I am saying, I am sending the continuously ping here. This 192.168.20.2 PC is sending the continuously ping to 192.168.20.2. Here, this computer is pinging to this one. Both are in the same VLAN. They should work, but they are not working because in between there is a link which is connecting to the switch, and they are carrying the VLAN 1 traffic only. If they are carrying only VLAN 1 traffic, then it will not allow to go to VLAN 20 traffic, because we can put the interface only in one VLAN. We cannot put one interface in more than one VLAN. We are going to see that one, no need to worry. We are going to see, we will check that one now. Okay, so now you can see continuously it is sending. I will go here also. I will go to this one and I will put here also. 1 minute. Okay, so what I will do, I am here in this PC. I will go here, I will put in the command prompt here. What I will put, I will write here ping, and if you want to send continuously, you will write -T and put the IP address. So I am here in the 192.168.10.1. So this computer is trying to ping the 10.3. Both are in the same VLAN, so they should work. Okay, but they cannot, because the cable which is connecting between the two